If you want to delete Grammarly from your laptop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to uninstall Grammarly on Windows step by step, so you can remove it completely and cleanly from your system. Whether you no longer use it, want to free up space, or just need to troubleshoot an issue, this guide will walk you through the entire process. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Windows settings on your laptop. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings, or by pressing the Windows key and typing Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Apps section and click on it. This is where Windows keeps all of the installed programs on your device. After that, click on Installed Apps. Depending on your version of Windows, this may also appear as Apps and Features, but the idea is the same. Now use the search bar inside the Installed Apps page and type Grammarly. This will quickly filter the list and help you find the Grammarly app without scrolling through everything manually. Once you see Grammarly in the list, click the three-dot menu on the right side of the app name. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the program. Go ahead and confirm the uninstall. Then follow any additional steps that appear on the screen. In some cases, Grammarly may open a setup or removal window to finish the process, so just continue clicking through the prompts until it is fully removed. After the uninstall is complete, Grammarly will be deleted from your laptop. If you want to make sure it's gone, you can return to the installed apps list and search for Grammarly again to confirm that it no longer appears. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully deleted Grammarly from your laptop in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.